Hey guys, hold up. That's better. Yeah. Okay, so my Captain America review should be up by now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. This just came. Yep, it's my other VHS. Yeah, I actually bought two on the same day as that Dude Where's My Horse VHS. And, this is the other one, if I mentioned that there was another one. Oh, cool, the return. It's it's all grown up and loving it. This is now my fourth one. It's guest stars Lil Romeo as Cupid. Two lovely episodes. Here's the spine. I like that green. The other spine, the top. This might be a Canadian copy. I don't know because it has only the show's logo and not the Nickelodeon one. So I'm thinking this is Canadian. I don't know. Anyway, here's the back. It features It's Cupid Stupid and Chucky's in Love. I used to have the DVD of this, but I destroyed it because I was a little fucking moron when I was a kid. Yeah, I didn't like myself too much as a kid because I ended up destroying more DVDs than what's up on that VHS shelf. Yeah, I was fucked up. Not that I hated them, I just had a problem with keeping them intact. So here we go. This has no insert, but yep. Guys, this is a Canadian copy. I don't care. I'm just glad that I have it. Here's the tape with the ink label. This is fucking rare, because first off, I'm also shouting a little bit. I know, because my fucking camera won't pick up my voice anymore very well, so I have to kind of shout. So I apologize if this annoys the fuck out of you. But this is not... Okay, it's rated G in Canada, whoopity-doo, but I'm just going to keep saying not rated. But it's 46 minutes long altogether, and the print date is, where the hell is it? Ha! No print date. Okay, well this is now my second all-grown-up Canadian copy, but again, I don't care, I'm just glad that I have it. I'm going to pop this in. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and this was also brand new. This was only $4 on Amazon. This was the last fucking copy that they had, and it took me 4 years to find it. Since 2015, late 2015. I shit you not. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you for the end of Phase 1 of Marvel Month. It's gonna be the Avengers movie review. It should be out.